Our country, so beautiful with its diverse culture and richness of resources, was once a peaceful place to live in. But today, it's shaken out of its comfort. The devastating effect of the pandemic left many people jobless. This deprived the children from getting quality education, pushing them to labor, and trodden them to illiteracy. The administrative system, blinded by corruption, is not able to govern the people, posing great difficulty for the people to survive. Let's elect proper leader as a step forward to take part in the victorious leap to light the path ahead with these leaders of the future.
Election.
Yeah, viewers, election festival is in our state.
You mean to say election season, right?
Yes, but party leaders are celebrating the season with new entertainments to the voters.
Oh, you're coming to that point. Yes, the election manifestos are filled with unending promises.
He Jabas and I Bhagashri are here today with a survey on
Search for a leader in the shadows. Let us throw light on the taste of our voters during this election.
First, let us ask the leaders of their families. Excuse me, gentlemen. We are from St. Anne's School, Panakudi, and here we are with a survey on election. Could you please join us to share your views?
Yes, of course.
What is your expectation on your upcoming leader?
Leader, you mean to who we are going to vote?
Yeah.
Every leader's focus is on the ladies and the students of the society.
Yes, you are right.
They completely forget men most of the time.
Yes, you are right once again.
We need a leader who is ready to supply alcohol daily.
Don't forget biryani.
Yeah, if the opposition leader gives us biryani, then we will surely vote for the opposition.
Yes.
So there is no particular quality of a leader you search for?
Can we conclude like that?
Okay.
Viewers, their demands and expectations are limited, and any ordinary leader can fulfill it. Bhagashri, ladies are always keen and intellectually strong.
Hey, thank you, Jabas. Come, let us interact with those homemakers.
Hello, ma'am.
We are from St. Anne's School, Panakudi, and here we are with a survey on election.
Is it any school survey?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See, Sivamadi, modern students are so updated. Rightly said Fanny.
Which leader is in the voting list this election?
Leaders whom we are going to vote.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you please say first, Fanny? My vote. It will be for a leader who gives me 8 gas cylinders free per year.
8 cylinders? Too much. But my vote is for the party who comes out with a proposal of 5,000 rupees for a homemaker. Cost of living has become too much, you know.
8 gas cylinders and 5,000 rupees will make us survive during this corona season.
Thank you, ma'am.
Viewers, quite interesting. Money decides the vote, and we expect a leader without corruption. Once again, it is proved that contradiction makes human more creative.
It's time to know the pulse of youth.
Hi, sissies. We are from St. Anne's School, Panakudi.
We are here with a survey on election.
Survey on election. Yes, sis. Super! A very new thought by school students.
Thank you, sis.
If we participate, will you give any gift?
It will be nice if you give any gift. It's election time, no? So gifts are always expected.
You can also provide stylish college bags as gifts.
Ma'am, that is not our focus.
Come to the point, sissies.
What should we do now?
Who is your choice in this election?
You know, bro, 9th to 11th standard students are given all pass.
Poor 12th and college students like us are studying for semester exams, arrear exams and practical exams. Appa, too much, bro.
You forgot about public exam. Girls, even KG to 8th standard students are promoted without annual exam.
Exams and elections, how are they connected? Any leader who gives college students all pass and 100% of job opportunity is our priority. Am I right, girls?
Yes, surely we will vote for that person.
Okay, we got it. Thank you, sissies.
No one is worried about nation or a fair election. Everyone is focused towards their self-benefits rather than country.
One more final question to the future citizen of India. Hey, here's the St. Anne student.
Hi, little one.
Hi.
Do you have any idea regarding election?
If you know something, please tell us about that.
Yes, I know. Our parish priest always prays for a good leader who takes care of the nation with a fatherly care.
Fatherly care?
Not only that, he should be righteous, God-fearing, hardworking, and set the role model to others.
Do you know anyone like that?
Yes, of course. Our parish priest always quotes that a leader should follow the virtues of our patron saint.
Patron saint? Who's that?
Patron of our parish is Saint Joseph, and he is a great human who showed the way and led the way that a leader should follow.
Is there any way to meet him and have interaction?
Yes, Sissy, pray to Lord Almighty so that He may grant the way to meet Saint Joseph, at least in vision.
Now I got a hope that St. Joseph will say yes, what a real leader is.
May God bless you. Who are you? How came you are here at the window of heaven?
We have got a special permission from Lord Almighty for this vision, dear St. Joseph.
Would you have a small chat with us, Saint Joseph?
If you wish to listen to me, I am ready to conversate with you, dears.
Dear Saint Joseph, you are praised by the humans of the earth for your fatherly compassion, forevision decision, and hardworking talents.
What all the qualities the present leader should have?
Oh, that's so simple to hear, but hard to withstand. A true leader should be God-fearing and with complete obedience towards God's will.
Well said, Reverend St. Joseph. Any other quality needed in the leader to create a peaceful nation?
To be just or righteous is that makes a man person true leader. When a leader rules the nation with righteousness, the country will be prosperous.
Yes, dear Saint Joseph, we agree to you and admire your insight.
Anything else to be added to our leader as an advice?
Leaders should always be attentive and steady to take actions to protect the citizens of the nation.
A final note from you before we leave Saint Joseph.
Leading the citizens is work. Often it is hard work, physically, emotionally and spiritually. But a true leader with dedication and commitment can fulfill it.
Thank you, Saint Joseph, for inspiring us with your uncompeting qualities.
Intercede for us to get a leader who follows your ways to rule us.
Bye bye, Saint Joseph.
God bless you, little children. All the best for the election.
Dear viewers, it was a mind-blowing vision, isn't it, Jabez?
Yes, it is. And before voting, make sure your leader has all the qualities of our leader.
Saint Joseph
A leader in the shadows. Until we meet again, it's bye from Jabez.
and Bhagashri.
Thank you.
Saint Joseph, the head of the Holy Family, was a true leader in the shadows who lived and showed the way a leader should go. The need of the hour is a leader who follows the compassionate righteousness, God-fearing insight, hard-working nature of Saint Joseph. Let us surrender our election 2021 to sleeping Saint Joseph and plead for his intercession for a good leader.